Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Circle to Search lets you draw a circle over the screen to search instantly. It finds text, images, links, and products shown inside the circle. The feature works system-wide across apps and in the browser for fast lookup. This only-way tool scans visible content and returns results without typing. You can use gestures, press hold, or dedicated hardware buttons to invoke it on supported devices. Results show relevant web links, definitions, and shopping options in a compact card. Try it when you need quick context about anything visible on screen. Open the app or screen containing the content you want to search. Make sure the content is clear and fully visible before you start. Draw a circle accurately around the target content using your finger or stylus. Keep the circle tight to the subject for best precision and avoid overlapping other elements. Release your finger to trigger recognition and wait for the result card to appear near the selection. Tap the result card to open links, copy text, or start a deeper search in the browser. Use the back gesture to dismiss the results quickly. Enable or disable Circle to search in settings under Search or Gestures on your device. Check permissions to allow screen analysis and limit data sharing if desired. Use tight circles and high-contrast backgrounds for better recognition accuracy and fewer false matches. If recognition fails, try drawing a slightly larger circle or moving closer to the content. The feature processes visible content and follows device privacy settings and account preferences. Review saved activity in your account to manage search history and privacy controls. Practice the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.